Installing smart film can significantly enhance privacy, energy efficiency, and the aesthetics of your space. However, although smart film installation is straightforward, there are some common mistakes. Fortunately, these can easily be avoided by following the installation instructions carefully and not rushing through the process. In this video, we will be going over the top smart film installation errors so you can make your smart film installation a success. First and foremost is the importance of a clean installation environment. This goes beyond simply cleaning the glass. It is also important to make sure there is no debris in the air, which is a common problem during renovations and new construction projects. Dust, dirt, or other particles in the air can adhere to the film during installation and contaminate it. Another common mistake is using water to install the smart film. While other window films may be installed this way, it is important to avoid making this assumption with smart film. Smart film installation is a dry process. No water should be used during the installation. Smart film is an electrical product, going from clear to frosted when powered on and off, making water an enemy. For this reason, it is important to seal the edges of the film with a non-acetic silicone gel to protect it from water damage. Using acid cure silicone gel will corrode the edges, and failing to properly seal the edges can result in moisture seeping in, causing damage to the film and potentially compromising its functionality. Water can also interfere with the adhesive properties of the film and lead to poor adhesion or bubbling. To determine whether a silicone gel is acidic or not, simply smell it. If it smells like vinegar, it is likely an acid-based silicone. Avoiding smart film installation mistakes is easy. Simply follow our guidelines for installation. Ensure that the installation environment is clean and free of contaminants. By taking your time and reading the instructions, you can ensure your smart film installation is a success and enjoy the benefits of privacy on demand. At Smart Glass Country, we offer a warranty for our smart film. However, our warranty does not cover installation mistakes, such as the ones mentioned in this video. Want to learn more about installing switchable privacy film? Browse our YouTube channel, visit our smart film installation guide page, or contact us with any specific questions you may have. Thanks for watching.